Shit. Today we're about to play some Papa's Pizzeria. I know you all know this game. If you fucking don't know this game, I'll beat your ass. Cause this was if you had, well, not if you had, if you were in 4th grade, this was definitely your fucking game. It's Papa's Pizzeria. You all know about this game. What's your name? Mason Small Dick. Yes, skip intro. Huh? Oh, I'm scared. Oh yeah, go to the order station. Toppings. Fucking just alright, let's go back. Oh. What's up, Bill? You always come here, you fucking piece of shit. You always want pizza. Like, what's wrong with you, man? Get something else. I know this is cheap, but like, just buy some ramen or some shit. Stop getting some pizza. Jesus Christ. Alright, let's go. We got topping station. Yeah, first you gotta drag your ticket here. Make pizza. Get that pizza out. Oh, you want 4 pepperoni on one side. I got you. Put the 1, 2. This oven. Let that shit cook. Yeah, make it cook to that. See over there? I know this is, fucking complicated for everyone, but it's easy. Trust me. Put that there. Let that shit wait. Put that back there. Finish with that pizza. Let me take it off the oven. I know it's finished. I can see it's finished. Look at that. That's a perfect pizza right there. Oh, it looks exactly the same. All right, now I got. Oh, he wants a 4 slice. Got you. Wants right there. Bam. He wants it. Bam. Whoa, bam. I got your pizza. It's a little uneven. You better give me a good tip for this Cooper. Fucking Cooper. Thank you, Cooper. We're not finished? Fuck it. Who are you? Jesus Christ. What do you want? Yeah, or you always wanted the 8 pepperoni. Kingsley? That's your name? Your name's Kingsley? I'm not trying to judge everyone's name, but dang. It's a weird name. Alright, make pizza. Once. It's a full pizza. I got you. Yo. We gotta put fucking shit. How are we going to do? How's the 8? Alright, we'll do 4. Then we gotta do 4. We gotta do 2 in the middle. 2 in the middle. Bam! Look at that. That's a perfect pizza. All right. He wants to cook it for that long. You never tell the pizza place, yeah, I want cooked for this long. You just say, make me a pizza. No one asks, hey, can you cook it for 8 minutes and 29 seconds? Because I'm feeling that time right now. You just go in and you're like, I want pizza. They'd be like, all right, here's your pizza. All right, we get that pizza. That's good. What's a 4 slice? I got you. Down the middle. Bam, right there. Give me finish order. Amazing. Oh yeah, I know. I knew you love that King's. How do you pronounce your name, Kingsley? I really don't know how. Yeah, be sad, Mason Small Dick, but soon you'll have a big dick. We're on the pizza. Total tip $5. Damn, you better feel good. Papa's Pizza Day 2. Oh, it's getting scary. Kingsley, you're back. It's been a day. Jesus, what's a breakup or something? Jesus Christ. People just don't come back every day and get pizza. Oh, we got like 20 toppings now. You only introduced me to the pepperoni. Like, you only introduced me to the pepperoni. How am I supposed to put all these other toppings on? You never taught me how to put those on. Alright, let's go. Put those 2. Perfect pizza. In the oven. I know someone's at the door. Nope. Okay, it's like cooking your pizza. This is a boring game. In 4th grade, I remember this being a lot better. In 4th grade, this was my shit. I was jerking off playing this game. This was the best game, that's why. We were playing fucking Slither.io back then. Back then, this is the shit. This is what you were playing. On friv.net too. You got to play on that friv. Oh yeah, friv for school. That's the shit. Okay, so you better give me another star because this is the best pizza I've ever made. How much money? $2.88. Wait, who gives someone just $2.88? Who goes about, yeah, here's $2.88. You know what? Yeah, since I got, my fucking 8 dimes and 8 cents in my pocket, 8 pennies. I'm just gonna do that. You only want half. I got you. How you fucking uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's a little weird, but you'll make it work, trust me. It's still open. Come on, anyone else? Give me someone. I'm picking my nose over here waiting for someone. I'm waiting for someone. Please. Come on. Oh, we got a new one. We got a new customer. Wait. It's about to be finished, though. Well, there. Take over. What do you want? You got black olives? Whoa. Whoa, Mr. Marty, chill. You got black olives on your pizza? That's a little insane here. Oh, bam. Look. Perfect slice. Perfect slice. You see that every time. Who has just 4 slices? Who has just like that? Who has like a 4-slice pizza? No one has that shit. Yeah, it's a little. Alright. Come on, Marty. I got you. You want black olives on one side. You're so fucking weird. 6, too? Fucking, you're weird as shit. I got you, though. There you go. And oven with that shit. Now you gotta press into the oven right there. Bam. Bam. It's a masterpiece. Alright, I can. Ooh, that's hot. That's a hot pizza. Ooh. Ooh, that's hot. That's hot. What the? There's another guy? Tim with 2 M's? What the fuck? If your name is Tim with 2 M's, what the? Oh, there you go. We actually got a good slice. Never mind, Tim. You're cool. Go back to the oven. Oh, what the fuck? Why do you want to cook so long? Black olives, piece of shit. Make pizza. Okay, I got time. All right, let's make this. He wants 4 wherever these things are. They're peppers, I'm guessing. I don't know. I don't put this on my pizza. Let's move these around. Yeah, there we go. In the oven with you. My God, if someone's still there, thank you. It's closed. Take your time. Your pizza. You told me to cook your pizza for like fucking an hour, so chill out. Fucking. What is his name again? I don't know. I forget people's names. There we go. Bam. Clean. Let's hurry this up. Got cut it. Bam. Down the middle. What the? It didn't cut? It's about. Oh, that's finished. Got cut down the middle. Bam. Bam. Fucking Jesus. I finished order. Come on, Marty. Give me that good shit. Oh, I knew you loved that, Marty. I know you love that, Marty. But yeah, you're finished. He wants. This is fancy. He wants 6 cuts like a normal fucking person. Talking to you, Marty. There we go. Finish order. You better love this, Tim. You better love this. This is my best creation. 88% on that you fucking piece of shit. I hate you, Tim. $2.64. Who the fuck just gives 64 cents out, Tim? Who? Let's go. One more time. My dick is getting hard. It's about to get the good shit. Come on. $16. Ooh. I'm ranked number 2. I'm a trainee. What was I before? We got Big Pauly coming in. Come on, Big Paul. I'm ready. Well, he's kind of worried. Uh-oh, Big Paul coming in, guys. Welcome, Roy. I'm scared of Big Paul. What the? Got some shit. All right. Why do you want it so long? With 8? Sorry, not 8. 6 slices? Fucking weirdo. All right. 4 on the side. Bam. 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 Fucking bam. I'm a genius. Bam. 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 Don't ask the Mill. Mill's supposed to, it's your shit, okay? I mean, he wants it cooked forever. Jesus. Alright, no one's here. Boom, 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 boom. Fucking just. Why is anyone coming? Thank you. Is that you, Tim? Is that you, Tim? You back? Stop. Jesus. Stop coming back the same day. I mean, the next day. Something's wrong with you, Tim. Jesus. Alright. Yeah, we got time. Alright, he wants make pizza. 4 on this side. Bam. He wants the same pizza all the time. Tim, get something new, you fucking weirdo. There you go. Into oven. Look at that. I still got time. I'm on a roll today. Oh, we got a little switch. We got a switch going on. Boom, 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 boom. Oh no, Tim wants it early though. He wants it late. Come on, Tim. Bam, fucking bam. Into. I got some time. No, I don't. All right, wait. Bam. All right, that's finished. I was cut Tim's. He wants a 6 slice. Bam. Bam. No, he doesn't want that. I almost messed it up for a sec. All right, finish order. You better love this, Tim. This is my best creation. 86% on the fucking shit there. Fucking, I hate you. Fucking Tim sucks dick. All right, he wants a cut like that. Oh, he actually wants a normal cut now. Get that normal cut going. Bam. And right down the side. You gotta love that shit. You better love that shit. Big Pauly. I know you love that shit, don't you, Big Pauly? Come in the back with me, Big Pauly. We'll show you what else is going on. All right. Oh, shit. What? Graham's coming here, too. Marty, you're back. I miss you, Marty. Yeah. It's gonna take a little while because there's only fucking one person order. It's gonna take a while because there's only one person doing this here. There's no one else here except for me, Mason Small Dick. That's my name. I have to make this pizza. We want 6 fucking black olives on this side. I got you. Don't worry. This is my pizza. This is your pizza. In the oven match. That's gonna take forever. Why does Gramps want weird time? Jesus, come on, Gramps. Get a good time here. Make pizza. 8 anchovies? What the fuck is wrong with you, Gramps? I'll judge you if you eat anchovies. I'm joking. I won't judge you if you eat anchovies. I probably will, actually, to be honest. Anchovies suck. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Into oven. That's a little uneven, but Gramps supposed to be fine with that shit. Oh my god. Kingsley, leave. Wait, at least this is a different time. All right, you gotta hurry up because I got pizzas in the oven right now. All right, now that we're close to being finished. Click Kingsley. I got some time. Let's make you a pizza, Kingsley. So you want pepperoni everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm good with this shit. Don't worry. Oh, his is fucking finished. And no, go back. His is finished also. And his is fucking Jesus Christ. This is the black olive one. It wants a 4 cut. Down the side, down there. Bam. Finish order. Marty gonna love this shit. This is my best work right here. You love that, don't you, Marty? Yeah. Put your hands in the air like that shit. Wait, fuck. That's finished. Marty. This is the old Gramps. He wants the fucking 6 fucking slice. Oh, that's beautiful. That's fucking beautiful. Don't ask why they're uneven. Don't ask, Gramps. I know you're fucking Wally. Don't ask. His name's Wally. I'm not gonna judge, but I'm judging. Do I still have a pizza in the oven? No. Alright, we're finished. Alright, we get that fucking weird ass slice. Why does fucking each person get a huge ass? Just cut the pizza. Why does each person get a huge ass slice? That doesn't even make sense. Alright, Kingsley, this is my best work. You better love this shit. Yeah, put your hands in the air. Now fucking suck my dick. I mean, what the fuck? What the fuck? Who said that? Who said that? We're good. Yep. I know. Don't be disappointed. You got $13 in one day. Alright. I guess you should be disappointed. I'll be disappointed if I only got $13 too. Ooh, penny. Well, that's it for fucking Papa's Pizzeria. Don't know. It's closed. It's closed. We're closed. We're finished. We're finished. Go back to Frib. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have, please hit that like button and subscribe for more of my good shit. My good shit. Alright, see ya, and fucking suck my dick.